This week's Parshas Pinchas, discusses the Yom Tovim. And one of the Yom Tovim that it discusses is the Yom Tov of Shmini Atzeres. After Sukkot, we have on the 8th day, Yom HaShmini Atzeres Tiyeh Lachem, shall be a restriction for you. You shall not do any laborious work. Rashi explains the whole idea of Shmini Atzeres, that Hashem says, Kasha alai fidaschem. Separating from you is difficult for me. Stay one more day. After spending 7-day festival of Sukkot in the Beit HaMikdash, Hashem finds it difficult, so to speak, to separate himself from his children. And he asked them to stay one more day. That's basically in a nutshell the idea behind Shmini Atzeres. It's interesting to note that the gematria, the numerical value of these words, Atzeres, Tiyeh Lachem, the definition of the name of the holiday, that this holiday on the 8th day should be Atzeres, which we said was a closed-in festival or a restriction for you, is the same gematria, Jay, 1270 of Kasha alai fidaschem. Separating from you is difficult for me. Fascinating. What Chazal say, the concept behind, the rabbis tell us, the concept behind the Yom Tov is hinted to in the gematria, the same numerical value of the word describing the holiday and the essence of the holiday, the reason behind the holiday, the idea behind the holiday, both have the same value. They have 1270. Now you might ask, it's not true, it's 1269. But there is a rule in gematrias that you may be one off, and therefore they're both 1270. A Shabbat Shalom.